11 o'clock. Time now for the Weather Magician with Peter J. Wiggins. The Late Night Report. Saturday, May 11th, 2013. Good evening, everybody. Current conditions at 11 o'clock on this Saturday night, May 11th, 2013. The temperature is...
Passing through. Can we clear things up for Mother's Day? My forecast for all your Sunday plans. She is Heather Strong, an inspirational first pitch at Fenway for a courageous marathon survivor.
A royal sport. Prince Harry joins the competition with the Wounded Warriors, his winning visit.
From Boston.
Waiting for the temperature here, waiting for the current conditions to come through.
Heavy hearts tonight on the Curry College campus. A nursing student killed in an early morning car crash. Good evening, everyone. It happened just after midnight.
There you go! Current conditions at 11 o'clock on this May the 11th, 2013 on a Saturday. Temperature 62 degrees with a humidity of 9%. Wind speed south about 10, gusting to 17 miles per hour. Barometer 29 by 74 inches. 2.59 degrees and a visibility of 5 miles per hour and off.
Trees in the distance, that's where the driver lost.
Radar scope around the region shows the last batch of the showers and thunderstorms that came through this evening is now off the coast of Massachusetts around Cape Cod and the Islands, and from Plymouth stretching into Bedford and stretching into Newport, Rhode Island, and stretching off the Connecticut, Rhode Island, and Long Island coast. And there's another batch of showers around northern New Hampshire and stretching into much of Maine, from Portland stretching up to Brunswick to Augusta, and a couple of little showers around the border with Vermont and upstate New York, from Plattsburgh to Lake George, and from Rutland to Burlington. And there's little blobs of showers around central New York, on Cortland and Ithaca and Binghamton, stretching in northeastern Pennsylvania, stretching in Albany, and a wide swath of showers from Hartford, stretching in New Haven into New York and into New Jersey, and stretching on Philadelphia through Baltimore and Washington corridor, and stretching into central Harrisburg in central Pennsylvania around Harrisburg, and stretching into Pottsville. And this is a part of a cold front that's gonna bring us some cool temperature for 2 hours, for 2 days, and another line of showers from London, Ontario, stretching into Cleveland, Columbus, Cincinnati, through Lexington, and into Nashville, into Tennessee. Okay, 7-day forecast. Before we do the 7-day forecast, we're going to read you the hazardous weather outlook here. Okay, day 1 tonight, there will be a low probability for an isolated strong thunderstorm or 2 Saturday evening with strong wind gusts and dangerous lightning. Some showers and thunderstorms tonight may contain heavy downpours, which could lead to some urban and drainage flooding, which have poor drainage. Days 2 through 7. Sunday through Friday, there will be a low probability of an isolated strong thunderstorm Sunday morning into early afternoon that produce some strong winds, small hail, and heavy downpours. If he's developed the main area, the threat will be southeast Massachusetts, and then cool temperatures will be on Sunday night and Monday night. May ward the frost freeze headlines for a portion of the years. Okay, 7-day forecast goes like this. While you're sleeping in the overnight hours of tonight, chance of showers patchy fall between 2 and 3 a.m. in the morning, otherwise cloudy with a low on 58 degrees. South wind about 8 miles per hour, chance of precipitation 50%, new precipitation amounts between 10th and a quarter of an inch possible. Sunday, a chance of showers with thunderstorms also possible afternoon. Patchy fog before 9 a.m. Otherwise, mostly clouds high near 71 degrees. West winds about 5 to 13 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 50%. New rainfall amounts between a quarter and a half inch possible. So you got Mother's Day after is getting a little light. A brunch either outside or inside, or trying to pick some flowers, or all sorts of things. I believe you're good to go, but just watch out for hot sky. If it's a chance of showers, thunderstorms, try to have your brunch inside, okay? Okay, Sunday night, mostly cloudy skies, then gradually becoming clear with a low around 39 degrees. West wind about 5 to 9 miles per hour, with gusts as high as 22 miles per hour for the gusts. For Monday, sunny skies with high near 63 degrees. West wind 8 to 13 miles per hour. For Monday night, pot cloudy skies with low around 36 degrees. Northeast winds about 5 to 7 miles per hour. Tuesday, sunny with high near 64 degrees. Tuesday night, mostly clear skies with low around 39 degrees. Wednesday, mostly sunny with high near 68 degrees. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy skies with low around 48 degrees. Thursday is chance of showers and thunderstorms, mostly cloudy, high near 32 degrees. Chance of precipitation 30%. Thursday night is chance of showers, mostly cloudy, but high low near 51 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 30%. Friday is chance of showers and thunderstorms, mostly cloudy, with high near 73 degrees. Chance of precipitation 40%. For Friday night, a chance of showers, mostly cloudy, low on 51 degrees. Chance of precipitation 30%. And Saturday, partly sunny skies with high near 73 degrees. Here's what a phrase and then Ace. Mother's Day to be a little iffy, as Mother's Day to be a little bit of a beautiful day. Although on Mother's Day